Yeah, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, but today I'm going to show you how you too can make a race car noise using only a Red Bull can. No sound effects, no editing, nothing. Just one simple thing, a crushed Red Bull can. Preferably Red Bull if you want to be, well, you know what I mean. First you want to do, you want to crush it so it looks like this, flat as fuck. Then you're going to want to keep moving it back and forth until you have a bit of a hole at this side. Now preferably you don't want the hole too big, but just to make it look a bit like that. You can see that hole there. Do the same on the other side. There you go. Same on the other side. Now what you want to do, turn it back around and blow as hard as you can for as long as you can into here, and to get the effect, extra bonus effect, flick that there to make it sound like it's shifting gears. Ready? 3, 2, 1. See if we could get it a bit better. Because I think one hole is just slightly smaller than the other. Well, one rip is just slightly smaller than the other. Okay, try that again. 3, 2, 1. Follow for more tutorials. It's as simple as that, folks. All you need is a crushed, preferably Red Bull can. Crush it. Crush your Red Bull can. And then just blow into it. Do that to add extra, sound. To make it sound like it's shifting gears without also getting the Red Bull drink down you. And one last one before I go. Subscribe. Peace out, motherfucker.